You look like Filipina.
Because I am Filipina.
You live here in Philippines or other
Yeah, I'm
country?
visiting right now.
Only visiting in Philippines.
Yeah.
Where you stay? Where you live? Country?
I'm staying in Bali, Indonesia right now.
In Indonesia.
Yeah.
This one is my uncle. This one is my girlfriend.
Your girlfriend?
No.
Friend that's a girl.
I'm single.
You have no boyfriend?
Boyfriend?
No boyfriend?
No girlfriend.
I hope it's not raining. It's not raining.
You have relatives here in Philippines?
Yeah, my relatives are from Pampanga.
Pampanga.
Kapampangan.
How old are you?
How old am I?
I think you like 18.
18!
Yeah.
18!
You look so young and then handsome. Oh, you're a lesbian?
Me, lesbian?
Because you the sign is like in the boy.
Oh no, that's like, you know,
Beautiful.
you take pictures.
But you're not lesbian.
Do I look lesbian?
I don't look like you lesbian. You look girl. No, beautiful lesbian.
Oh, no, I'm not. I'm not lesbian.
Christine Reyes.
Christine Reyes?
Yeah, you look nice.
I don't know who that is.
You search in the Google.
Okay. Oh wow.
You look
Yeah,
like
she looks good. She's an actress?
Yeah,
Oh, where is she from?
I don't know. He's from here in Manila.
Oh, Manila.
Before you have a boyfriend. He's my girlfriend. Hi, hello.
He's a tour guide. Raining and the jeepney. Raining.
Oh my Lord. you sing. Sample. You give me
Me.
sample. Yeah.
Gintu.
Melanie Ginto.
Yeah, you know her?
Ginto.
Yeah, dance.
You know, like gold.
Yeah, Ginto.
Ginto.
You know the song or the dance? Gento. Gento. Oh.
Yeah.
Gusto mo ba ng Gento? Gento.
I don't. What? Is that maybe
This one,
I'll
this
say?
one.
Yeah, play the song.
Play the song.
Play the
Gento.
Gento song.
Gento.
Gento. Gento.
Ginto. Ginto.
Who is singing that?
And then
Let's
also
see.
they have a
Oh,
video.
Gento.
Also they have a video. Ginto. Ginto.
Oh, SB19. I like SB19.